we cannot deny that the engagement of the local communities inspired a lot the successful of our project. First, what we can say in different ways. The first one is that we had the community engagement in terms of consumer perspective survey. This was done to get the insights on how these people in DRC think the transition of the use of charcoals and woods to the use of solar cookers, which from that we get very positive responses. But also through these surveys, we got to know that in DRC there are also very local materials that could be used in the construction and modifying our solar cookers. But also we had the student engagement during our internship period in DRC. What we had through them, we got to know that the use of sawdust could be used as an insulation system. Like before, we had the problem in our prototypes that our prototypes were losing heat. So through that engagement of them in our project, we got to know that the sawdust could be used as insulating system, like preventing heat loss. But also in our last presentation that we did, we also engaged and invited the communities to come and telling them the results of what we did. What we got, it was so easy to communicate with them in terms of time rather than saying more about the performances. So we got to know now in the future, we need to focus more about explaining to people about how time it takes for these prototypes to reach maybe a certain boiling temperature. So it was so beneficial to us to get more insights about that. Yeah, that's all.
Nice.